In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Lock Screen. Then tap on Screen Lock Type. Select Pattern, PIN or Password by tapping on one of those login methods, and then create a chosen one. Hit Continue at the bottom right corner. Repeat it to confirm it and choose Confirm. Then manage notifications by following all of those instructions and options. You can check out preview over here, or disable them completely thanks to this switcher at the top. Either way, when you finished, hit Done and tap on Agree in Backup Pattern pop-up. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!